we're like alpha and omega.
Hey everyone, if you want to try starting a new habit, whether that be starting to use your planner regularly or any other habit that you can think of, you may want to try habit stacking. There are certain things that you probably do every day. For example, brushing your teeth, taking a shower, eating dinner. These are things that you don't have to think about doing, you just automatically do them, and therefore they are your current habits. James Clear, who is the author of the book Atomic Habits, says that one of the best ways to build a new habit is to identify a current habit you already do each day and then stack your new behavior on top. So with habit stacking, instead of linking a new habit to, say, a time or a place, you are instead linking your new habit with a habit that you already have. And James Clear provides a formula that we can use in order to create a habit stack. It is after or before your current habit, I will, new habit. Some examples are after I make my coffee, I will take my vitamins. After I eat dinner, I will plan out my tasks for tomorrow. After I take a shower, I will read a book for 10 minutes. And you can also habit stack even if that habit doesn't occur daily. So say, for example, that you go to church once a week. So you could say, after I get home from church, I will plan out my week in my planner. To get started with habit stacking, we're going to do a little activity in our planners. So first, go ahead and write down all of the current habits that you have. And then in the section beneath that, write down what new habits you want to start. According to the author of the book Habit Stacking, these should be small, easy tasks that move you closer towards achieving a goal that you have. So the ones that I'm writing down are, I want to ride a stationary bike every day, I want to take vitamins every day, and I want to read for at least 10 minutes a day. But you could, of course, write down more if you would like. Now go ahead and either circle or highlight the one habit that you want to start that is the most important to you right now, the one that you want to focus on first. And we're only doing one so that we don't overwhelm ourselves. And then go ahead and look at your list of current habits. Is there anything on there that would make sense to link to the new habit that you want to start? Then you can circle or highlight the habit you chose. When you are writing out your habit stack, try not to make them too vague. You want to know exactly where, when, and what you will be doing for your new habit. The next step is to plan it out because you want to be able to track your progress. If it's something that you want to do daily, you could write it out each day in your planner or use a habit tracker in your planner. If it's once a week, you could write it on the appropriate date. But you might be thinking, what if the habit that I want to start is planning? One idea is to leave your planner in the location where your current habit takes place. So, for example, if I want to plan out my day after I make a cup of coffee in the morning, I could leave my planner next to my coffee maker. There are actually several other ways you could turn planning into a habit that I could do a whole video on, so please comment down below if you want me to create that video. The final step is to start practicing your habit stack. So now when I get home from work and unpack my purse and lunchbox, I'm going to ride the stationary bike. And if I'm worried that I'm going to forget to ride the stationary bike, I can leave a note inside my lunchbox that says, "Don't forget to ride the stationary bike."
Or I could leave a physical object, like a keychain in the shape of a bike. And when I see that, I'll think, I need to ride the stationary bike.
And then once you master that new habit, you can go back to your sheet and link another habit to a current habit and just keep working off that sheet until you successfully have added those habits to your day or week. You can also build these habits off of each other by linking multiple habits together. James Clear gives this example of an evening routine habit stack. After I finish eating dinner, I will put my plate directly into the dishwasher. After I put my dishes away, I will immediately wipe down the counter. After I wipe down the counter, I will set out my coffee mug for tomorrow morning. I hope this video gave you some ideas for getting started with habit stacking using your planner. And if you would like to sign up for my mailing list so you can get an email every time I post a new video, I'm going to leave the link to that in the description below. And I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!
I fall from grace.